Hello everyone, let's construct box plot. For today's lesson, we are going to construct box plot from Ogive. Right, let's get started with the class. The Ogive on the right shows the number of units of electrical power consumed by 80 households in a particular month. Construct a box plot based on the Ogive. So, in order to construct a box plot, we need 5 important information. One is minimum value. Second is the first quartile, followed by second quartile and a third quartile. And the last one is a maximum value. We can get all the 5 information from the Ogive. First of all, we want to find the first quartile, which is 1/4 from the total 80 household. So 1/4 will times with the 80, right? Then we will get 20. And the median will be 1/2 times 80. We get 40. And the third quartile will be 3/4 times the total 80 households. So we will get 20, 40, and 60, right? So let's go to the graph of the Ogive and read out the first quartile. So for the 20, we'll mark 20, and then we will draw the horizontal line until it cut or intersect the Ogive, and then we will read vertical down to read exactly the electrical power in how many units. Let's read the scale carefully. The Q1 is equal to 170, right? 170. Now let's read the median. The median is the 40th. So we go to the cumulative frequency. Let's find out where is 40, and let's draw the horizontal dashed line until it intersects the Ogive, and then we will draw the vertical line down to the upper boundary and read the electrical power unit. So the median is equal to 225, right? There is a meter of 200 and 250, so it's 225 for the median. Now let's read the third quartile, will be the 60th. Let's go to the cumulative frequency and mark the 60th and draw the horizontal line, dash line, until it intersects the Ogive, and then we draw a vertical line down to the upper boundary of the electrical power, and we need to read out carefully the scale there for the Q3. So the Q3 is 280, 280. So we have read out first quartile, we have read out median, we have read third quartile, right? So now you need to use a graph paper to construct a box plot. Now let's label the axis carefully. It's a horizontal axis to show electrical power units. So let's label first, label the horizontal axis using the ruler, and let's shift over all the data which actually on the horizontal axis from the Ogive, right? And then we are going to label 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 250, and 400. Then followed by we will draw the plot. Okay, we will draw the dot to show the plot. It's a box plot, so we will form a box from the plot later. So now let's label the minimum point, the first quartile, and the second quartile, which is median, and the third quartile. Okay, so for a box plot, we need to draw the horizontal axis, we need to label the horizontal axis, and we need to use a dot to show all the 5 information, which is minimum plot, okay, minimum value, which is 50. Let's state a red plot, a red point, okay, at 50 for the minimum value. And then we need to label and read carefully where is the Q1. Q1 is 170. So we need to count carefully how many boxes to show the right scale for first quartile, median, and third quartile, and also the maximum value. Now we are going to connect using straight line for the first quartile with the minimum value and the third quartile with the maximum value, and the middle one we will draw the box for the Q1 and Q3, right? So let's draw a vertical line first, make sure it's equal length. Vertical line, we have 3 vertical lines, then we draw 2 horizontal lines to form a box. So meaning that a box plot consists of 4 horizontal lines and 3 vertical lines to show it is a box plot. So that is how you draw the box plot based on the Ogive given. So in short, you will need to be very careful when you draw the box plot by counting the box and read the scale carefully so that the box plot is accurate by using the information of the minimum value, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum value. So that's all my sharing about how to draw the box plot based on the Ogive given. So now we will proceed to the next lesson on part B. Let's get started with the part B now. Alright, for part B, hence state the distribution shape of the data. So we look at the box plot. The line to the left is shorter compared to the line, the horizontal line to the right, meaning that the line connecting minimum value to first quartile is at the left, right, which is shorter compared to the line connecting the third quartile to the maximum value, which is longer. So if it is longer, we will say it is right skew. So this is a right skew distribution. Why it is a right skew distribution? Because the line at the right is longer. So that's all my sharing for today. Bye bye and have a nice day. I shall see you in my next video lesson. Bye.